Hello guys, welcome to my channel Time to Go Virtual. In this video, I will tell you about the instructions to clear Amazon version test. Guys, please watch the video till end. Let's begin with the process. This test will be taken as second round of interview in Amazon. I have also set few examples. The links will be given in description. Let's start the process. Guys, this test will be in time based. There will be a total 25 minutes given to clear this test. There will be three different sections in this test. First one is sentence completion, second one is passage reconstruction, and third one is email writing. In this round of interview, you shall be evaluated on your written communication skills. Guys, it is a time-based test and every question will have specific time set within which you are supposed to answer. The first section is sentence completion. In this section, there will be 20 questions given. For each question, you will have 25 seconds given, to which you have to answer. Guys, please type only one word that best fit the meaning of the sentence. You will have 25 seconds for each sentence. The system will automatically move to the next question with the lapse of 25 seconds. Please be careful with your spelling, capitalization, and also sentence formation. You need to type only one word which best suit the sentence. Please make a note guys, do not type more than one word for the answer. Here are the few examples. I'm sorry but your bill is long past dash. You will have to write one word which best suit the sentence. Also have shared few examples. The links will be given in the description. Please do check it. Let's move to the second section, passage reconstruction. In this section, we will be having 30 seconds to read the paragraph. The passage reconstruction will not more than 3 to 4 lines and there will be a total 4 passages given. This passage will be visible to you until 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the passage will disappear from screen. Please keep in mind what are the situation and what are the scenarios described in the passage. After 30 seconds, the passage will disappear. Then you will have total 90 seconds to reconstruct the passage within your own words. You can frame the passage in your own words. Please remember that you will be scored for clear and accurate content. Please make a note that here you should type the word correctly without making a grammatical errors, without making a punctuation errors. So let's move to the third round, email writing. Here in email writing, you will be given a particular situation to which you must revert via email. Here you will be given a certain scenario or certain paragraph. Just see this example, you will get to know it. According to this, you will be given some kind of situation and you have to convert this situation into email. So you will have total 9 minutes to complete the email and you will be asked to write at least 100 to 120 words. You must at least write 100 to 120 words and you will be able to show how much time is left and how many words you have written. And guys, in this round, you can also see that how much time is left and how many words you have written. And guys, if you do not finish this in 9 minutes, everything you have written will be saved automatically. Do not worry about that. Uh, let's say if you wrote partial email and the time is up, do not worry, the email will be get saved automatically. Here in this, please make a note. Please do not click any enter or type button before you begin typing. You can only click enter or type button after you type at least one word. This is because if you click on enter or type button before writing or typing, the entire section will be skipped and you will be directed to the final page. Now guys, continue with this assessment. Thank you for watching my video. Best of luck. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. Guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. And also press the bell icon to get notified for every update. Thank you.